moving can be stressful to say the least. I literally just moved last week and God, there's just so much to do. Good thing is that I know a thing or two about moving. The very first thing that you got to do is start packing as quickly as possible. Like I'm dead serious. Right now it's summertime when you want to start putting away your coat, your seasonal items, things you're not going to be using right away. Make sure you label your boxes. That way, if you're going to be moving yourself, you know what room it goes into. You got to decide straight out, are you going to be doing the move yourself? If so, go to U-Haul, rent a truck. You could also go to Budget. You could go to Penske. There's a couple of options out there if you want to save money. The other option, it's hiring movers. The advantage with them is the fact that they already bring the moving truck to you. They know how to disassemble and take you to your new house as quickly as possible. It's something that just makes sense, you know? But depending on the type of move, you might want to consider them, check out reviews, and make the best choice. Make sure you're calling your utility companies, letting them know, hey, I need you to transfer me out by XYZ date. And that's really going to be important because you want to get to your new home and make sure that it has light. Guys, just want to share those couple of tips with you, and I wish you the best of luck.